If this plant was real, it would be dead by now because I evidently don't know how to look after. Like, I don't even know what my intro is. What is my intro? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. Today I'm gonna do a haul. I'm trying to get a winter coat still. You know, a winter coat's not one of those items that you can sort of just be like, you know what, it looks good, so I'm gonna keep it. Like, it has to actually be decent. I'm not trying to be out there in December freezing my tits off, essentially. I would like to be warm. So I've done another haul of items I need, items to keep me warm in winter, and this one is from Weekday. Got the order description here. It all looks like it's there. Okay, so the first item I've got here are some mittens, some winter gloves. My fingers get very cold. I found that mittens keep my hands warmer than regular finger gloves. I don't even know if they're called finger gloves, but I'm gonna call them finger gloves. They do look a bit big, but I measured my hands and it seemed to be the right size. I'm gonna need to sleep on these ones. Okay, so the next item that we've got is the Ryan cardigan in white, and I'm liking the feel of it. It's heavy. I got it in a small, but it doesn't look like a small so far. It looks a little big. Maybe I should have got extra small. I think there was that size option. Either way, I'm hoping it fits. The next item I have here is the Cassidy trousers in black. I'm not gonna lie, I saw these on Instagram and I fell in love immediately. Do I have black leather look trousers? Yes. Is this excessive? Yes. I know in my wardrobe clear out video I was trying all sorts about lace up jeans or lace up trousers, but these ones are different, okay? These ones are leather look. It makes all the difference. Yes, the trend has come full circle and here I am again buying these trousers because they look cool, but these ones are different, okay? So this item I'm very excited for. This photograph, this print is by a Nigerian Irish photographer. There's a story behind it and I'm gonna insert the infographic here. It's very cool. I'm excited to try this one on. Now, we got our final item. I looked for a jacket with a hood. This one's got a detachable hood. Wow, this is massive. Goodness me, okay. It looks a lot bigger than I actually thought it would be, and I got it in a small as well. I don't think I usually go for black when it comes to outerwear and coats, because sometimes it can feel like it just makes everything look drab and dreary, especially with the weather. But I think, you know, just ready to try something different, really, try something new. I decided to eat a Kinder Bueno before filming this. So if you see any chocolate in my teeth, please ignore it. I'd really appreciate that. Okay. That's exciting, isn't it? It's very exciting. This cardigan is nice. I really like the long sleeves. You just don't get sleeve length like this these days, you know? Absolutely fantastic. My only concern is that it's white and I just feel like I'm gonna get makeup all over it. But then I would have thought about that before I bought it. Honestly, I was expecting a little bit of a tighter fit, like around the arm area. It's not bad at all. Like, it'll do if you're just looking for a cardigan, like one of these naughty style cardigans with the double zip thing going on. But yeah, I don't know, I just thought that it would be a little bit tighter around this area. I don't know whether I'll keep it or not. Gosh, so many decisions already. Who knows? I think I've decided not to keep them because they're just too big, which is such a shame, because have you seen gloves like this before? No. They feel soft inside because this material on the outside is inside as well. It's just not tight enough and it's a little long. The gloves I will not be keeping, unfortunately for Weekday, but fortunately for my bank account. This is fantastic. Look at a mesh top. I'm very much in love, like, wow. I'm just shocked. If I wasn't wearing it with thumb holes, it would just look like this. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna wear this with, but I do know that I will wear it. I absolutely love it, I really do. I mean, where can you wear a mesh top in winter? Like, there isn't really many places you can wear a mesh top in winter, but maybe I'll layer it up. Maybe if I'm going outside, but like I'm eating somewhere inside within regulation, obviously, then this might be the thing, you know? Take off the jacket, reveal this top. Who doesn't want a guy wearing a horse on their top? I do. I do. It doesn't zip up. I can't. This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. Oh God, no, I'm gonna break these. I'm gonna try and sit very carefully. I think I just ordered the wrong size. I mean, I can't lie, I did measure myself and I thought, you could probably fit into a 34 if it's stretchy, you know, cutting it close, but give it a go. It's not stretchy and I can't fit into a 34. Should have gone with 36, should have played it safe. What good are trousers if you can't do them up? I want to show you, but I don't want to break them. I do like the design on the side. They did say low rise, and may I say, they are low rise. Aside from the fact that they don't fit, they are low rise. If you have a little bit of a bum, they are low rise. Very low rise. If I hold my breath in, we can do it. I'm gonna lean because I actually can't sit down when they're done up. They would be great if they fit, but they don't fit, so they're not great. What are we saying? Oh God, we're burping, that's it. We're not saying anything, we're just burping. I feel like this jacket could swallow me up. Like, I'm just gonna disappear into it. This is it with the hood. Oh God. It's very big, isn't it? It's like you're in a cave. I thought about it just now and I've decided that this isn't the look I'm going for. Obviously, you want a jacket that keeps you warm. This is quite warm, it is very warm. The arm length is great, the cuff size is great, but I just think the shape isn't what I'm looking for. I feel like a tire. I think it looks better when it's not zipped up, but then that just sort of defies the whole point of having a jacket. Like, you want to zip it up, you want to be warm. Can't even guarantee that if you want to look good still as well. Guess you can't have everything you want in this life. A nice jacket, keeps you warm, looks good. Show me where I can get one of those for a reasonable price. Right, so to conclude, I think the haul was a bit of a disappointment, but you know, you win some, you lose some essentially. Got a really nice top out of it, and that was about it. I think I'll find gloves in time for like the cold. If not, we're not even going outside anyway, are we? Who goes outside these days? What is outside? Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like it. And if you really liked it, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time.